I'm Carole Kushnir. I'm from California, and I'm here representing being identified with the BRCA2 mutation.
Can you tell us a little bit more? What is the BRCA2 mutation that you have, and what does it mean?
Well, I have the one mutation is that was tested and reported is 6174 del T, and it is a pretty common mutation in Ashkenazi Jewish people. And an uncle of mine also has the same mutation, and my cousin, his daughter.
When did you find out you had the mutation?
I found out in early 2010.
Okay.
And it was a surprise. I did the 23andMe genetic testing, and the results came back, and it was surprising.
And what did they tell you it means? Like when you have this mutation, what does it mean? What is for you, for an individual?
Well, the risk of breast cancer is increased compared to the general population, and the risk of ovarian cancer is increased.
And do you know what those increased risks were, what those percentages were?
Well, for the breast cancer risk, it's between 20 and 50% risk. Although I saw a higher number earlier when I looked recently, it seems like the number I saw changed. And for ovarian cancer, the risk is much lower, but the risk is higher than in the general population. You can also calculate the risk based on age. So compared to the general population, the risk for breast cancer at my age of 70 is about 4.5 out of 100 compared to about 2.5 out of 100 for a woman at age 70 who does not have the BRCA mutation.
I see. And what did you think about this whole sort of probability issue? You know, the idea of a percentage. I mean, I think a lot of people think genetics is going to tell them, oh, I am or am not going to have this trait. What was running through your mind?
A lot. I am married to a physicist who understands statistics, and he must have explained this to me half a dozen times. And all I could focus on was the high number. But of course, as you get older, the risk, it changes, it varies. Assuming that there are 100 people, 100 women with the BRCA mutation, and 50 out of 100 have already had breast cancer, then the statistics change. And I can't really explain it, but it is daunting to think that there's, double the risk of someone else my age, even if it is a low number. However, if you have the mutation, there's, as far as I understand it, in my particular case, I'm missing the T, and the whole gene shifts. The BRCA gene is shifting, and there's a mutation. And so it's not operating correctly, is my best understanding.